How to fix Amazon FireStick not working on Samsung Smart TV. Please watch full video for better solution. Before going deep into the topic, first check if your Samsung TV is compatible with Amazon FireStick. With this you can easily enjoy the accessing of Netflix, HBO Max, Amazon and many more other channels on your Samsung TV. Nowadays Amazon FireStick is quite useful, but it is maximum probe to app errors. While this error may include problems like stopping device from responsive. Sometimes Amazon FireSticks can solve troubleshoot problems by using other HDMI ports, checking port, TV compatibility and an HDMI extender, by changing power source. After trying all the above cases if you still fails, just verify suitability of your input sources. Once check out some ways to fix the problem of Amazon FireStick not working on Samsung TV. Why is my Amazon FireStick not connecting to TV? Power connection issues. Amazon FireStick requires an unwavering 1A power supply. Therefore, if the power plug and the power cord are defective or inefficient, the chances of non-recognition issues will be high. Moreover, a non-functional wall socket will also cause connectivity issues. Faulty or poor quality HDMI cable. If your device's HDMI cable is defective, then you can expect that you'll encounter connectivity issues. Contrary to popular belief that you can use just about any HDMI cable for your connections, you can only use authentic ones. The improper connection between the Amazon Fire TV FireStick and Samsung TV. In some instances, you'll find that there's a loose connection between your devices and is the culprit behind connectivity issues. Moreover, connectivity issues may arise because the Amazon FireStick does not nicely fit into your TV's HDMI port. TV port incompatibility. In other instances, TV port incompatibility may cause the hindrance. The HDMI port of your TV is designed to support only specific resolutions and refresh rates. Therefore, if you have FireStick or FireStick 4K, you'll have to get an HDMI cable that can handle HD 720p or 1080p at 60/50th refresh rates. How to troubleshoot FireStick problems with Samsung TVs. Power reset. Step 1. Turn on your TV and remove power cables from wall socket. Step 2. Wait for 30 seconds. Step 3. After 30 seconds plug back power cables back to TV and turn on. That's it. Amazon FireStick not working on Samsung TV will eventually start working with this power reset method. If not, try other methods like changing HDMI cable and other methods. Change your power outlet, power source. Make sure that your device plugs into the proper electric socket, not in the USB port, because it won't supply 1A power. Check for power extension outlet working properly or not. And also make sure that cable micro USB end is properly fitted into device or not. Use HDMI extender. To enhance remote performance, Amazon provided the bundled HDMI extender for checking the connectivity of Wi-Fi and fitting your FireStick in to Samsung TV HDMI port. If we are unable to fix it properly in the HDMI extender, it will not serve the content properly. Checking for port, TV compatibility.
Firstly, we need to confirm what we are using, whether it is Fire TV Stick 4K or Fire TV Stick. Because screen resolution also plays a major role in Samsung TV, so it's better to use 1080p HDMI port. If you're using a new version of Samsung TV, it's not a big deal because in latest version it providing HDMI ports. Because using FireStick in your TV, firstly search for its specification online. Along with it, check for manufacturer guidelines for your TV supported resolution. Try another HDMI port. If your Samsung TV has multiple HDMI ports, You can switch your device to another HDMI port if you are facing any troubleshooting problem while accessing the power source. Because checking with another port firstly checks if your device is properly fitted in the first port or not. Check for input sources. If your TV sets have multiple HDMI ports, then this issue will raise. Make sure you set the device to the proper input source port or not, which will easily solve the problem. Let's see simple example. If your television set input source to HDMI 1, then connect your FireStick to HDMI 2.
Upgrading both your TVs and Fire TV Stick's firmware. Visit Samsung's firmware page, select your TV model, find it at the side of your TV in the form XX#X####, where X represents an alphabet and hash represents a number. Search for the latest firmware for your TV, and when you find it, download it into a USB thumb drive. Plug the USB thumb drive into your Samsung TV. Turn on the TV if it is off and go to the menu, Settings, Upgrade Firmware. Follow the instructions to the ladder and key in the file name of the latest firmware upon request. Later, Samsung will upgrade your TV's firmware. You can plug in your Fire TV Stick to see whether the issue has been resolved. Toggling Anynet Plus. Samsung TV has an inbuilt program Anynet Plus, allowing you to control other devices through its connected network and remote control. Unfortunately, this program can cause Amazon TV Fire Stick problems with Samsung TVs. Reconnecting the Fire Stick. Switch off your TV, then plug out the Fire Stick from the HDMI cable. Unplug the power cable. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes before plugging it back in. Plug in the Amazon Fire Stick. Wait for 5 minutes, then turn on the TV and reconnect Fire Stick to HDMI. Press any button on the Fire remote and wait to see if the non-recognition issue has been resolved.